What were the benefits of him being in the army and never around and his drinking and all of that? What did it give you?
I guess it made me feel like I was the stable one.
What else?
That I was the responsible one, that I was the one that kept it together. I was the good person.
And do you remember
I don't know where you're going with
no,
this.
I'm just, the reason I asked is because you walked yourself into the answer that you brought up in the beginning, and everyone does it. You said in the beginning, safety, reliability, follow through. That's why you picked him. You weren't picking him, you were picking yourself. What you picked is somebody that was completely unreliable, unsafe, and had no follow through because you wanted to be that. That was his gift to you. You're trying to teach yourself how to be that for yourself. And so we pick somebody who has none of that because you're using, this is the manipulative part, we're using them to teach us about ourselves and what we need to do. They become a proxy. So what happens is thank God he's unreliable. Because now what do I get? I get safety. I never have to be vulnerable with somebody who's an alcoholic and never there, right?
I get it.
What do you get?
I provide all of those things for myself.
Amen. Now
I was looking for it in a person.
Amen. Now you tell me where he failed you.
He behaved exactly how he was supposed to.
And just the way you wanted, because you wanted to teach yourself how to be all these things, and you did it without him. Wow. He's a gift. That's when you confront denial, it's like right there.